If you want to remove bold formatting from text in Microsoft Word, follow these easy steps. Here you can see that I have highlighted some bold words. For example, I have highlighted this word is in bold. You need to select it, and on the top of the Word document you will see the Home tab, and here you will see that B, which means bold. So I'll click that, and here you can see that the bold letter has been removed. And if I click on the bold letter, you will see that it is highlighted. And if I see on the other line, you will see that it is not bold. So that means its formatting is not bold. Moreover, if you want to bold this letter, then what you need to do is Control B, and here you can see that the letter has been bold. If you accidentally remove formatting you want to keep, press Control Z to go back, and here the letter is removed from bold formatting. So in this way you can easily remove the bold letters in Word document. I hope this is pretty simple and easy method for you. So if you think the video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.